Skoda Enyaq EV SUV is the first pure electric Skoda based on the MEB platform, where the top version offers 510 kilometers of range. The model's name comes from the Irish name Enyaq, which means source of life. Enyaq's etymology comes from the Irish word eithne, which means substance, spirit or principle. The Enyaq EV SUV has a very attractive and dynamic design and unique features. One of them is the mask with the illuminated vertical LED grills. The electric SUV's headlights feature full LED matrix technology with the hexagonal shape of the main LED units. Skoda also explains that LED bodies are inspired by traditional Bohemian crystals. Enyaq EV with a length of 4,649 mm, width 1,879 mm, height 1,616 mm and wheelbase 2,765 mm, has similar dimensions to Kodiaq. The volume of the luggage compartment reaches 585 liters. It also has low rolling resistance tires with 18 to 21-inch wheels, and its aerodynamics are very good for an SUV, with the drag CD coefficient being from 0.27. The Founders Edition of the model is equipped with special features and special appearance, with its production limited to 1,895 units, a tribute to the year of the company's founding, 125 years ago. Its dashboard shows some similarities to that of the new Octavia and is elegant and modern. It also impresses the very large central display of the 13-inch infotainment system, the digital instrument panel, the head-up display, and the few physical buttons on the center console. Behind the steering wheel of the Enyaq EV there is another screen for the digital instrument panel. Skoda will offer Enyaq EV for the first-time design options instead of the usual equipment lines. Among the options will be the seat linings made of 40% wool and woolmark seal, and the remaining 60% will be a polyester blend of recycled PET bottles. Also, the brown, cognac skin has taken its color from the olive tree leaves. A decorative lining extends the entire width of the dashboard up to the door panels, enhancing the sense of space. Also, under the main screen, there is an extension with soft material that serves to touch the driver's hand and handle the touchscreen better. The model also offers modern connectivity and entertainment solutions, as the car is permanently connected to the internet and ensures that all applications are always up to date. The Enyaq EV will be available in 5 versions, with rear or all-wheel drive. The first version, with the 55 kWh battery, is the 50 EV, with a performance of 148 horsepower and 220 Nm of torque, acceleration at 0 to 100 km per hour at 11.4 seconds, top speed of 160 km per hour, and autonomy of 340 km with WLTP measurements. The second version, with a 62 kWh battery, is the 60 EV with a more powerful 180 horsepower motor and 310 Nm of torque. For 0 to 100 km per hour it takes 8.7 sec, while the top speed reaches 160 km per hour. In this version we see a slight increase of range with 390 km. The next version is the Enyaq EV 80, which moves with a 204 horsepower and 310 Nm torque electric motor. For 0 to 100 km per hour it takes 8.5 seconds, with the top speed reaching 160 km per hour. It is equipped with an 82 kWh battery, where 77 kWh is available for the user, with autonomy increasing to 510 km, always in the WLTP cycle. The four-wheel drive 80X EV is even stronger, with 265 horsepower and 460 Nm of torque, 0 to 100 km per hour at 6.9 seconds, a top speed of 160 km per hour, and a range of 460 km. At the top of the range is the Enyaq RS EV 4x4, with a power of 306 horsepower and 460 Nm of torque. The 0 to 100 km per hour is completed in 6.2 seconds, while the maximum speed reaches 180 km per hour. The 80 EV, 80X EV, and RS EV versions are combined with a larger 82 kWh battery. Depending on the size of the battery and the charger, the charging process takes from 6 to 8 hours. At the rapid charge of 125 kilowatts it can charge from 10% to 80% in just 38 minutes. Production is scheduled for the end of the year, with the first deliveries starting in the first quarter of 2021. Production will take place at Skoda's main factory in Lata Boleslav, Czech Republic, and will share the production line with models based on the MQB platform. Thank you for watching.